Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, variable substitution in strings is a powerful feature that allows you to create dynamic and flexible strings by inserting variable values into predefined templates. This process is often referred to as string formatting. There are several ways to achieve variable substitution in Python, and in this tutorial, we will explore the most common methods. The old-style string formatting, using the % operator, is a legacy approach but is still supported in Python. It's similar to the formatting used in the C language. In this example, %s is a placeholder for a string, and %d is a placeholder for an integer. The values are provided in the order they appear in the tuple following the % operator. The str.format method is a more modern and flexible way to perform string formatting. It allows you to specify placeholders and then provide values in any order. In this example, serves as a placeholder, and the values are provided in the order they appear in the format method. F-strings are a concise and readable way to perform string formatting, introduced in Python 3.6. They allow you to embed expressions inside string literals. In this example, variables are directly placed within curly braces inside the string, and Python evaluates the expressions at runtime. Python also supports template strings, providing a simple and readable way to perform variable substitution. In this example, placeholders in the template string are indicated by a $sign followed by the variable name. The substitute method replaces the placeholders with the provided values. These methods offer different levels of simplicity and flexibility, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs. Experiment with each method to become comfortable with Python's variable substitution in strings. ChatGPT